Welcome back. Something very special. This is like you can use this for warm up, for stretching, for healing, and for strengthening your wrists. Something we usually ignore. Something very important because any kind of lifting, pushing, martial arts, sports, anything, you need this, and we often ignore them. तो ये बहुत डेलिकेट चीज़ है क्योंकि वो छोटा है, बहुत डेलिकेट भी नहीं है, फिर भी हम कभी कभी हमें दर्द होता है, फिर हम इधर वगैरह मुंह वगैरह लगा के उसको ऐसा ही एडजस्ट कर लेते हैं. ऐसा नहीं करना होता. उसके साथ थोड़ी बहुत एक्सरसाइज, उसके साथ ठीक से न्यूट्रिशन, उसके साथ रेस्ट और सही तरीके की एक्सरसाइज इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू सम एक्सरसाइजेज. दीज कैन बी यूज लाइक स्ट्रेचिंग बिफोर योर वर्कआउट. These same exercises you will use like healing and strengthening. So before we start, we need to understand that your joint is not separate. There are other joints connected with it. There are bones and like muscles are connected. It is like a one unit. Your body is like a whole unit. So that is why we sometimes don't do separate exercises for the wrist. Doing simple exercises like push-up or dips or some simple pulling exercise, all this will include the strengthening of your forearms, and the forearm muscle will also strengthen your joint. If my joint is healthy, my muscles are secure. If my muscles are healthy and strong, my joint is secure. Same thing. So we don't need this separate focus for the wrist joint only. We need forearm, we need fingers, we need grip. Everything is like one unit. So let us start with exercises. Number 1, keep your hands like this and rotation and rotation and rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do this for 30 seconds. 30 seconds तक ये वाला करते रहेंगे. Make sure your hands are tight, nice and tight, and you're making like big circles. Try to make big in the sense not like this. Here itself. Get maximum range of motion and then backwards. So अंदर से बाहर किया था, बाहर से अंदर भी करेंगे. ऐसा, ऐसा, ऐसा. Come to exercise number 2. नमस्कार posture में यहाँ से नीचे, नीचे. I'm trying to stretch here. The same thing can be achieved by stretching like this. Here. So 1 and 2 and 3. Do this for like 30 seconds. And this also. For the next exercise, just hold your hands like this and kind of rotate. Like this, forward and backward. As if you're holding a sword in your hand and you're doing that movement. And you can go forward and backward. Stretch like this. And also this one is something very effective. थंब के सपोर्ट से आगे से हाथ पकड़ने के बाद ऐसा नीचे की तरफ, ऐसा नीचे की तरफ, ऐसा नीचे की तरफ. There are other exercises which will strengthen your grip and also your forearm, such as the simple basic pull-up or hanging exercise or any lifting exercise also. But for now we will do exercises without any equipment. The next set of exercises I like for strengthening the forearm. So I like this one. I'm going to stand like this and open and close my hands as fast as possible. 1 or 2 times you will not feel anything. Do this for at least 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12, 13, 14, 15. After some time you will start feeling this. This can be combined with this 30 seconds inwards. Now the same set of stretching exercises which we did with 2 hands. Now this same thing without that support. For example, this one. I am doing that without the other hand. Just like this. I am not doing this. I am just holding it over here for 30 seconds. Trying to pull it back as much as I can. Here. And just stay here for 30 seconds. Just try this. It is going to actually activate all these muscles over here. It will take some strength. It looks easy, it is not. You have to pull it back, try to make it straight. And the same thing, down, try to keep it straight over there, as far back as possible. एकदम पूरा खींच के जितना हो सके. You can see it is activating all those forearm muscles also. Plus, this is not the stretching part. This is more like healing or strengthening part. So this one without support and this one without support. As much as possible, for as long as possible. नहीं, as long as possible नहीं, 30 seconds से सिर्फ. And then relax. The same concept can be applied in stretching this way. So you're not using actually your hands, you're doing this without any other support. Just keep it over here tight, squeezed, and then relax. And then backwards, and then relax. And down, and relax. And up, and relax. This is not only stretching and getting some blood flowing in your joint, it is also strengthening your forearm. So overall, the next set of exercise that I will share is actually a challenge for your forearm strength and also your joint. Let us try something very easy. Just breathe in and close your hands and try to rotate like this, outwards, forward direction, then bring it back like this, rotating inwards. This outside and inside. Keep it nice and tight as possible, and then do it. Not tight over here, tight over here. 1 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and back and back and back. Do it slow. Slow is more tough. And then the same thing you can do sideways. जितना स्लो करेंगे उतना ज़्यादा ये हार्ड होता है. ठीक है, ये ऐसे नहीं करना, वो फिर वो दूसरा वाला हो जाएगा. एक साथ करना है, एक्सरसाइज जैसा लगना चाहिए. अगर पड़ोसी आपको देख रहे हैं तो लगना चाहिए कि एक्सरसाइज कर रहा है. हाँ भाई, बेली डांस नहीं कर रहा. ऊपर की तरफ कर सकते हैं, नीचे की तरफ भी कर सकते हैं. अकेले में करिए, वो बेटर है. सो टू रिवाइज इट अप for your stretching and warm up part, something very simple, just outside and inside, and you can do this and backwards, you can stretch like this. This is one. So I'll just show this. First I'll do the stretching part, and then kind of a healing or strengthening part, and then a little more challenging strengthening part. Namaste बहनों और भाई. नीचे की तरफ, ओके, ये बाहर की तरफ, ऐसे 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 ऐसे, इधर से ऐसे, वो नीचे नीचे नीचे. This also works very well in especially maths class, chemistry periods and all, because like when you feel sleepy, there is a, I don't know what, but there is a connection between your wrist and the fluids in those joints, and if you get some blood flowing in that, you don't feel sleepy. राइट तो जागने के लिए थोड़ा सा ऐसा भी किया जाता है, थोड़ा सा ये सब भी किया जाता है. इससे क्या होगा, जाग जाओगे. बारिश वगैरह है ना, सुखड़ के पड़े रहा करो. So that's all for today. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe and press the bell icon. And yes, Kalari dhoti, if you like what I'm wearing, Kalari dhoti, 100% cotton, very comfortable. Many colors are also there, black, white, orange. Okay, yes, हाँ. तो मैं क्या बोल रहा था, हाँ वो description, yes, it is in description, link is in description. Order online, Karate TV online class, link is in description. Join Karate TV online class. Bujin TV is an online martial arts content streaming platform. It is like the Netflix of martial arts. Our content is now available on Bujin TV. But our content you're already watching, right? So the thing is, you can watch many other teachers, many other seminars, recordings, and you will get like high quality martial arts content over there. This is like instructional stuff. So the link of Bujin TV is in description, and if you use the code Karate TV, you will get first month free subscription. Muft, muft, muft.